in News Movement English channel. Let's go have a look on these news. Purulia Manbajar from the senior reporter Vikas Prasad, Purulia. 3 September, Purulia Manbajar on the Thursday started a protest on the demand of drinking water in the Paria Chali Road area of number 1 block on the Kailasi Hari Road to attract the attention of the administration. Due to this, the traffic system came to a complete standstill. According to the information, local people started stonewalling at 7 a.m. on the demand for drinking water. People said that while repairing the road, pipelines bring drinking water were damaged. It has not been made even after a long time, and Manbajar from the senior reporter Vikas Prasad, Purulia. 3 September, Purulia Manbajar on Thursday stated a protest on the demand of drinking water in the Paira Chali Road area of number 1 block on the Kailasi Hari Road to attract the attention of the administration. Due to this, the traffic system come to complete standstill. According to information, a local people started a stonewalling at 7 a.m. on the demand for drinking water. People said that while repairing the road, pipelines bringing drinking water were damaged. It has not demand made even after a long Kasipur. 3 September 54 people back Kasipur MLA Sapan Kumar joined the Trimool holding the hand of back Tribal district of Halda constituency of the Kasipur Assembly constituency in Purulia district. It may be noted that before the assembly election, the game of defection under the zone has Trimool BJP and other political parties are seen to be making various efforts to throw them out, and other political parties are seen to be making various efforts to grow them the party office of MLA Sapan Kumar Bhalteria. The MLA handed the Trimool flag at the party office of MLA Sapan Kumar Bhalteria. All the families joining MLA handed everyone to party flag. Banerjee upgrading word and said that after joining the party, we will now be able to cooperate in religion upgrading. Ramanand Paswan with the chairman Mantha Paswan Andal PPE kit mask for police personnel working at Khandra Primary Health Center, Rural Hospital, Doctor of Health Personnel and Anda Outpost on the behalf of National Coalfield CTG form Faslin Sanitizer Block Health Officer Dr. Paritosh Sorian was given to Dr. Piyush Mandal and in charge of Ukha Outpost Lakshmi Narayan. On the occasion, BMOH Paritosh Sorian said that this is very good work. This will help our health worker during the COVID-19 test to check the health of the patient, and our health worker will be able to do their work better in this subject. Lakshmi Narayan said that Corona would do duty while bringing the infected patient. Andal. As per the instruction of CISFS Samandeshta Mithilesh Kumar, General Manager of Konustoria S. Kundu of Chief Security Officer ICL Headquarter kept Tani Das, a dozen of illegal mines were loaded in the Tapsi area with the joint corporation of CISF, Konustoria and Canada Fandi, in which Konustoria Area Security in charge Dhananjay Kumar Rai, CISF in charge Naveen Kumar Bharti, and Kenda Pandi ASI Vivek Chatterjee. More than a dozen illegal mines were dug during this improvement with his team. After this operation by CISF security and police, illegal mine operation have been in a TZ. Naveen Kumar Bharti, in charge of CISF camp and Konostoria area, Dhananjay Rai, in charge of security, told that this campaign will continue even further. मेमोरेंडम दिया गया टू मेयर जितेंद्र तिवारी ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ आसनसोल सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चैरिटी डिमांडिंग इंस्टॉलेशन ऑफ उर्दू साइन बोर्ड इन आसनसोल म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन. He said that due to the lockdown, the sign board is getting delayed. Sign board has been given. Members said that there is a sign board in Bengal. The national language is Hindi. The international language is English, or Urdu is the second official language of the state. Board should be installed in these language. On hearing his talk, Jitendra Tiwari said that Urdu Academy has been opened in the municipal corporation. Various type of programs